A mind map, which is also sometimes called a cognitive web or brain map, is a diagram used for visually outlining information using nodes and levels to generate ideas based off of a keyword or key idea. Here we've got the post-its from the attribute listing video as an example to explain mind mapping as a creative tool. Creating a mind map can be a good way to do the attribute listing exercise. In this case, post-it notes are the core idea, being the product we're looking to alter, and so that becomes the central idea, with the second level of nodes being the traits to be altered. From here, you can list which traits can be changed and organize each subcategory easily. So again, different ways you can change the shape or material of a post-it to give it a new use. You can also go on to make associations to other ideas and make connections you might not have thought of. In this case, creating a post-it out of a different material like fabric would allow you to make visual associations to new uses of the product. Also thinking about different ways traits can be changed. For example, oversized post-its made from fabric could have a use in apparel. While some ideas may be odd or may not seem to be practical, the idea is that you're free to jot down whatever comes to mind, even if it doesn't make any sense at the time. Another useful thing with mind maps is that they are a good way to organize information with graphic elements such as color, shape, or size for emphasis, or to make connections between the subcategories later on. So here with another more abstract example, take the word creativity. Trying to define an abstract concept can sometimes be difficult, but it helps to take advantage of the visual format of mind maps. When you want to connect one idea to another in a different category on the other side of the web, you can use a certain element like color or shape to make that connection. This is a good method to lay out all of your ideas and associations with a topic in a visual manner, so you're free to make connections you may not have thought of before. Essentially, mind maps are a way of creating visual analogies between abstract concepts, and to help trigger new ideas much in the way the simple act of doodling or drawing allows your mind to think more clearly and creatively. So at their core, mind maps utilize existing knowledge and allow you to make connections by free association or laying out ideas in a non-linear structure. Information is visually categorized and structured to create some type of hierarchy, but you have more freedom to find connections to other ideas as your map grows. Creating mind maps also helps with mnemonic memorization and can be a useful study tool. For this class, it's helpful to create a mind map for your weekly DSDs and other projects to quickly come up with creative ideas and to visualize what falls into the realm of creative, different, and fits your social aspect of the project. They are a convenient way for anyone, though visual thinkers in particular, to jot down notes or generate ideas quickly and with freedom from self-censoring of ideas. In addition, free mind mapping software exists that helps with the visual and spatial organization of information, and you'll find a link to that in the course materials.